Oh, hey, you've just caught me pottering about in the garden. Yeah, the schedule at Ignite is super important, and it's definitely something you should invest some time in and actually building a custom schedule for yourself. Let me share my screen and I'll take you through how to use it. So here we are in the Ignite website, and we want to go into the session scheduler. Now when it first loads up, we're going to see every session that is happening at Ignite, but we want to try and filter that down so as we find the things that are relevant to us and what we want to learn. So we can click on refine results and we can refine it down to things like solution area or level of session or even session type. But we can also use the search bar, so we can search for terms that we want to have a look at. Now I want to see if there's any Windows Server sessions, so I type that into the search bar and it returns my results. So I click on the session that I want to add to my schedule and I want to make sure I attend. And that's it now added. But I also want to find out what's happening with the Azure Static Web Apps. So I put that into the search bar and I see a bunch of sessions. Now I'm going to pick this session and you'll notice that it says RSVP. So this is a slightly different session. It's a really interactive, or hopefully really interactive session. And we want to be mindful that our people are adding them to their calendar and are aware of that. So that's what the RSVP is all about. Now that I've added what I want to my schedule, I want to have a look at it and make sure that I've built it correctly and I've not got too many overlapping sessions. So here's my custom schedule, and you can see here on Thursday there's the extra sessions that I added to my calendar. Now I want to make sure that I remember to go to these sessions, so if I click on the little calendar icon beside them, I can get a file that I can then create a calendar appointment within my calendar, and it'll remind me, it will block out that time, and no one will hopefully clash another meeting on top of it, and I can attend that session fine. I can also remove sessions here as well from the My Schedule section, so you can customize it and build it depending on what you want. So hopefully that's helped you understand how to use the schedule builder. Have fun building your own schedule, and I'll see you at Ignite.